If you're going to your first bachata party or you just started to learn bachata, make sure to check out this video. We're showing you the first 8 turns that you need to know. We're starting from the very easy to a little bit more complicated. So let's go. This one and the easiest one is the woman's turn. In this case, we start in the open position. We go in the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 3, 4, we raise the left hand, our left hand, and her right hand. And now we turn the lady. This is the preparation for the turn. And in 5, we start turning the lady in 5, 6, 7, 8. And we continue with our basic to the right. And this one can also be done in the other direction. So we go in the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this case, we start the preparation with the other hand in 7, 8. And then in 1, we turn the lady in 1, 2, 3, 4. We do our basic to the left, and we continue with the basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next one is the turn of the men. So we start as well in the open position. We go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, I stop having this hand. I have it free, and now the man is turning in 1. We put this hand over here, over her hand in 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, we're facing the lady again, and we go back into the basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one can also be done in the other direction. So let's go in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So the principle is the same. We're just changing the point when we start. Next turn is the abrazo or pretzel. So we start with both hands as well in the open position. We go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. We prepare the same way that we prepare the woman's turn in 3 and 4. And now we turn the lady, but we keep having this hand the whole time, and we do our basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. So at the end, we end up here abrazados or hugged, and we have this hand position as well. And from here, we walk together in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do this as many times as we want. And when we want to turn her out, we just turn her with our forearm here. So we don't push, and we also don't pull here. So we're turning her with our forearm and her lower back. So we're here, and we go back, 2, 3, 4, and back into the basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. We start as well in the open position, going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. We prepare now with both hands. This one goes up, and this one's a little bit lower, like the woman's turn here, 3, 4. And now we turn with both hands over her head in 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here we go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, we are preparing the turn again, because we will turn her again with both hands over her head in 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up in the normal position, and we go into the basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. It's called the arm breaker. We start as well in the open position, basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we prepare the turn in 7, 8. But in this case, we don't bring the hand that high, just a little bit, and this one goes a little bit here as well. And now we will twist this hand like this. So when we do the impulse for her to turn, we will twist this hand and bring it down. That way the woman needs to turn. So we go again in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist in 1, 2, 3, 4, and basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. We continue the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare the turn in 3, 4, and turn her with this hand, not with this one, in 5, 6, 7, 8. One's a little bit more complicated because we start here in the open position first, basic, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 3, 4, we bring this hand down and we rotate our bodies to this side. So that way the follower is also rotating her bodies. We tap in 4. Now we do our step to the front and we turn both at the same time. So we bring this hand up. We give her the impulse to turn in 6, and we also step. Now on 7, and tap. So let's do it a little bit faster. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video. Getting a little bit more difficult because now we start combining these turns. So for example, we start here, and let's do the 2-hand turn over her head. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We prepare both hands over her head in 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we will turn the lady directly with only one hand over her hand, and this one is going to her neck in 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we change sides by turning her here in 5, 6, 7, 8. We are now in the pretzel. For example, we could walk right now in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we turn her out like in the pretzel in 1, 2, 3, 4, and basic 5, 6, 7. We start in the basic and do the arm breaker. So basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the lady finishes turning in 4, we the men, we twist our body and turn it in this direction. And from here, we change, we go to the front in 5, 6. Now we're both back to back. And now on 7, guys, we finish our turn in 7, 8. And now the arm breaker the arm has changed its position to this side. We're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We prepare the turn here and turn the lady in this direction in 1, 2, 3, 4, and back in the basic in 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more videos that are going to help you a lot, like these ones over here. We hope to see you in the next time. Bye!